How to edit and change alternative phone number on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here in the top corner and click these 3 points and then click edit profile. And now click scroll down and click contacts, and here we'll find it. Now just click on it and you can change it and save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.